Today I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF into multiple files using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you have a large document and need to break it down into separate, more manageable files for sharing or organizing. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You'll need to log in with your credentials to access your files and tools. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can manage your PDFs. Now navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the documents you've been working with lately, making it easy to find what you need. From here, select the file you want to split into multiple files. Click on it to open the document in the editor with your PDF open. Look over to the left panel of the screen. Here you'll find various tools for working with your document. Click on Organize Pages. This tool is essential for rearranging, extracting, or splitting your PDF, and it gives you complete control over how your pages are structured. Once you're in the Organize Pages view, look at the left sidebar again. You'll see several options for managing your pages. Click on Split. This is the feature that will allow you to break your PDF into multiple separate files based on your preferences. A menu will appear with different splitting options. Click the drop-down menu and select Number of Pages. This option lets you decide how many pages you want in each resulting file, giving you flexibility depending on your needs. Right beside the drop-down, you can customize the pages. For example, if you want to split the document so that each page becomes its own file, type 1 in the text field. If you want 2 pages per file, type 2, and so on. This customization ensures the split happens exactly how you want it. After you've set your preferences, click Split. Adobe Acrobat will now process your document and divide it according to the number of pages you specified. Depending on the size of your PDF, this might take a moment, so give it a few seconds to complete the operation. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will prompt you to choose a location on your computer where you want to save the newly split files. Adobe typically creates a folder containing all the individual files, making it easy to locate and use them. And that's it. You've successfully split your PDF into multiple files using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This method is perfect for organizing large documents or preparing specific sections for distribution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.